Hey people, well I just wanted to show off my newest acquisition. This is yet another Lakewood model P-23 box fan. This one here being under the Windsor badge. As y'all know and might have seen in some other videos, maybe years past, I have 3 other Lakewood fans that are under the Windsor badge, but they're all the smaller varieties, ranging from 10 to 14 inches. Well, I thought it'd be fitting to have a 20-inch one, a full-size 20-inch one to join them. And here it is. So we'll have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. As you can see, it's that light aqua color. And it's got a few dings in the paint. Like here, down there. The other side. A few more on the other side. And turn around to the back. Here's the motor. It's got the Macmillan motor with the full motor mount, which wraps around the motor. Dead cut on the motor to this one is D71, meaning it was produced in April of 1971. And all the slats are in place on both grills, but the very center one in the back is like kind of split in the middle, or it's cracked in the middle, I should say. And a section of the front grill is chipped out right where the screw is. Here's the top. It's got like a little ding right there, and a little bit, little scratches around the speed knob, or speed sticker, I should say. This one, as you can see, has the metallic blue sticker. Most of these I've seen under this brand have a solid or opaque blue sticker, which can be found on my 14-inch Windsor, the model C14. And it's got that handle which Lakewood would use up until maybe mid-1975. One more shot at the Windsor badge. I think the only one I've seen thus far that has the metallic blue speed sticker is that one owned by my friends Spats Bear and Harley Badger. The one they have is like mint with the box. Now this one's not really mint, but it's in okay shape. And now we'll run it. Here's high. As you can tell, it's got the fast running speeds. I can believe most of these metal blade Lakewoods tend to have. Back high. And as always, a little bit left, spells off. And it's got pretty good coast down time too. And it does have a bit of a startup sound, but like two of these I have, my Kmart branded P-23 and the Lakewood P-21. Startup sound on this one's one of the weaker ones. But it's there, somewhat. Let's hear the startup sound real quick. And we'll just do it on high. Very subtle, but it's there. And of course, the one that my friends Spats and Harley have is a very strong startup sound. As y'all may have heard from Spats' earlier videos of that fan. And there you have it. That's my 1971 Windsor, made by Lakewood for the Kmart department stores, of course. Model P-23 20-inch box fan. And before I sign out, I just want to share some sad news. Some of y'all remember in a lot of my videos, I had an orange cat named Henry who'd sometimes make a few appearances, and in other videos you'd just hear him in the background. Well, you won't be seeing or hearing any more of him because sometime about a couple months ago, middle of January, he died in his sleep. He was basically he was just pretty old, so just thought I'd share that with y'all. And that's my video. Thank you for watching.